Perverse and foolish, oft I strayed, but yet in love he sought me, and on his gentle shoulder laid, and home rejoicing brought me. Hi, happy Sabbath. How are you doing? I know you are doing well and also keeping safe. I know you are bouncing in the grace and mercies of the Most High. Today, I know you can tell from the topic, but I am here to share with you. Since this year, I think from April, yes, I purposed in my heart that should the Lord grant me another year, if I live to see the 5th of August, as the Nigerians will say, I'll go to church the following Saturday. And here am I with my vow. Yes, I vowed to go to church again. It's been almost 3 years. The last time that I went to church, I intentionally, yes, the very last time that I intentionally went to church was in December 2020. Yes, that was before, during the COVID. That was when I was in Takoradi. Since I moved to Koforidua, I've been in church only on invitation. And the last time that I went to church on invitation was in December 2021. So it's been 8 months since I went to church. Sometimes we say that we are the church, we represent the church. You don't need to be in the assembly of, or you don't need to be among a congregation to serve the Lord. Yes, I've said it before, but nothing matches, nothing can be compared to the joy that one feels in the presence of the Most High. And so officially I have resumed going to church. I am super excited. I want to thank you all for your prayers. Yes, it is your prayers that have brought me that far. I cannot end this video without saying thank you to some few people. Nalamle Elsie Davis, I am most grateful. This girl would give me daily Sabbath school. I don't even say thank you, I don't appreciate, I don't read, yet she brings it every blessed day. Now, Numa Jobo, I am so grateful. Grace Truthful, Grace Answered, God bless you. I know what you did behind the scene. Yes, you even went to the extent of bringing Pastor. Should I mention the name? You even brought him to Koforidua to come and see me. I know you might have come on a different appointment, but I so much appreciate what you did for me on that day. Abigail Owusu, Abigail Jenny Mboaten, may that's a part for your prayers, for everything that you did for me. All of you here, whoever is watching, even if today is your very first time on this channel, I want to say thank you to you, because I know that if you had known me before, you would be praying for me, not with me, because I stopped praying. I thought that I was healed, but I was a prisoner to myself. I had imprisoned myself. So this new year, I am stepping out in a grand style. I am doing what will please the Lord, what will make me happy. I don't so much want to think of what people would say about my actions and inactions. Yes, so those of you that shares my videos, I want to say that yes, you have made a greater impact in this new phase of my life, because when you shared those videos, it's reached out, it's traveled so far. And the prominent people that called me on this issue, I made that video in this room. I remember somewhere in December, and I'm a yes, video know that I want to stop going to the Adventist church and go back to Anglican. That video did not last for 24 hours online, but I tell you that it's traveled far. it traveled far, and I had so many people reaching out to me. There's a testimony that I would share with you, but when the time is right, I would sit down and share that testimony with you. Okay, so we have just closed. I enjoyed every bit of the sermon. Yes, I am glad that finally I am back into the fold of God again. Oh, so I want to say a big thank you for your prayers, for your care, your love, everything that you've thrown on me so far. God richly bless you. You know the part you played in this. May God bless you abundantly. May He increase you. May He cause His face to shine upon you. And as usual, whenever you say a prayer, don't forget to say one for me and my household. And I leave you with the peace and the mercies of the Most High. Peace. Oh yeah, say shalom and chop peace.